starts. There are certain cases of unsafe decline, stem decline, but there's a pending with a single bench. This case is not said decline the other day, but these cases are listed in it.
They are offshoots. They are offshoots.
बीएड वाले 1 से 5वीं तक पढ़ाएंगे और बीएड वाले 5वीं के ऊपर पढ़ाएंगे, ये उनके दूसरा इशू है।
बेसिकली सर ये इशू है कि कट ऑफ डेट के बाद जो अपॉइंट अलग उसमें अलग इशू है।
कुछ क्लैरिफिकेशन आ गया।
हाँ, तो केसेस सिर्फ सिंगल बेंच पे पेंडिंग है इसलिए।
इसमें कुछ जजमेंट भी हो चुका है क्या ऑनरेबल बेंच का?
Sir, division bench after this division decided by the apex court. Then the state went in a clarification, and the apex court gave a clarification that persons who are appointed prior 11/8/2023 they did not be disturbed.
Whether there is any
There is a decision after the order, the clarification or the case of Devesh Sharma and clarification obtained by the. That is in item number 61, Your Lordship. That is at order dated 3/5/2024. Now, subsequently, Your Lordship.
Okay.
1,480 B.Ed candidates have been appointed. So that plot, 482 candidates were appointed after 11/8. Now, my lord, all those, my lord, when the matter finished in the High Court, then I was advocate, I became functus officio. Now the matter has been remitted to the High Court. With all humility at my command, I humbly feel, my lord, that those people.
Humility is in Dogma.
Thanks, sir. My lord, this got so, my lord's bit, no match, lord. मेरा निवेदन है, lord, all those people deserve to be heard, lord.
क्या करना क्या है?
मेरा कहना कि ये जो तमाम याचिकाएं हैं, इनके जो इंटरवीनर्स हैं और प्राइवेट रिस्पोंडेंट्स हैं, they deserve an opportunity of hearing. By chance, I have been engaged by one person.
By chance,
he was vigilant. He was vigilant. He said that matter is listed in the High Court. रूपरा साहब जो आपने मुकदमा जितवा के दिया वो वापस remit होके आया. You please appear. One person came. Lord, so also, Lord, there are many other persons.
You have to collect fees from others.
That is not the issue, Lord.
But my friend is right, my lord, that there were several persons. They did
11,482 सर, और उसमें से 11,000 appointed prior to 11/8/2023, my lord. And as far as 482 are concerned, उनको स्टेट
representing them.
सर जो उन्होंने
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, मतलब जो भी आप कह रहे हैं।
नहीं, I will.
Not 11,000 बाकी नहीं है, पर जो लोग पिछली बार रिप्रेजेंटेड थे
करेंगे।
हाई कोर्ट में सर लिखा है, if your lordship will see my compilation, all are not required to be heard.
We understand. They have to be heard in representative capacity.
Yes,
There are two categories.
Yes,
in terms of the clarification.
Yes,
from the Supreme Court.
Yes.
One appointed after 11/8/24 and
23,
and another set of B.Ed employing persons who were appointed prior to that.
and appointed with qualification or without qualification.
That is three categories.
Three categories. Lord, 482 persons have already been terminated by the state government.
And one of that issue is not before your lordship. One here, the issue before your lordship is that after the matter is remitted by
सब मुद्दे की बात ये है, ये सब लीगल इश्यूज है।
जी जी।
तो लार्जर इशू है वो ये है कि रूपरा साहब को अन्य पक्षकारों से संपर्क करने का समय दिया है।
I don't want to concede in the honorable.
वो तो सर
But my lord,
दिया जाए, भी कहेंगे दिया जाए।
ठीक है, अग्रवाल साहब बताइए, दे दिया जाए।
नहीं सर, हमको तो सुन लिया जाए सर।
अरे तो ऐसे अलग
All are represented, my lord.
पीस मील में थोड़ा सुना जाए।
नहीं sir, my lord, all set of persons, my lord, all the stakeholders are represented before your lordship.
No.
That's what I submit. All stakeholders. Now, if I'll just refer to one judgment, one interim order of this court, not if your lordship would see. My learned friend has been representing the cause of B.Ed students, not a page 28, my lord, of my compilation, my lord.
Not all these compilations deserve to be exchanged with each other, my
Lord,
lord.
yesterday I
My
explained with
learned
everybody
friend,
who
the
were
government
stakeholders.
advocate.
We have not
No,
received.
yes, day before yesterday I had no instructions.
TRP में भी upload कर दिया हमने.
तो मैं उसको सब डाउनलोड कर लूंगा. Its record is voluminous.
Your capacities are enormous, sir. You should keep, which you yourself keep on instructing us on the WhatsApp.
आनंद में अपन भी आनंद में तो एंजॉय दी जी
मेरे भी
आपको दिलवा देते हैं, जूनियर को बोलिए फोटोकॉपी करा के लाएगा. अग्रवाल साहब शुड नॉट बी टेक्स्ट विद ऑल.
नो फोटोकॉपी हम करते ही नहीं, हम तो डायरेक्टली डाउनलोड कर लेते हैं. आप अपलोड करवा दीजिए.
अपलोड कर दिया.
आप अपलोड करवा दीजिए. Last night also I have checked all the documents and I have uploaded it. Lord, last time when we were arguing in May 2024, Lord, I had voluminous, everyone had volumes इतना, जबकि अब सिर्फ एक किताब लेकर आए हम. तो वो अपलोड करवा दीजिए. जो मेरे विद्वान मित्र ने दिया आज वो भी अपलोड करवा दीजिए सर. हम लोग उसको देखने में अब निपुण हो गए with the help of our able juniors, my lord.
Able juniors or they are your senior in the matter of AI?
Sorry sir.
That is correct.
Sorry. वो गलती हो गई.
They have been teaching you AI. You should not be so ungrateful to them.
गिल्डिया जी. इतने से निवेदन है सर.
तो लिखिएगा, सबका नाम वाम लिख लीजिएगा. सब एक पर्ची पे लिख के, भाई जूनियर जो भी हैं वो एक पर्ची पे सबके नाम लिख के दे दीजिएगा.
Milord, point one.
हाँ बोलिए.
Point one, Milord. This petition want to withdraw, Milord.
अरे ये तो सबसे अच्छी बात है. ये केसरी नंदन साहू वाली.
जी.
लिखिएगा. और कौन कौन विड्रॉ करना चाहता है?
एक ही सर है.
रामेश्वर ठाकुर.
विनायक प्रसाद सर.
Video conferencing assisted by Shri Vinayak Prasad Shah present in court place for withdrawal of this writ petition. Accordingly, it is dismissed as withdrawn. 61.1 है. WP 13768/22 within bracket S. ऐसा और भी कोई नेक इरादा है क्या? नहीं.
Your Lordship, may I submit the other matters which are seized by the honorable single bench? Those may be dealing, Your Lordship. They are offshoots of these petitions, but they have to be heard.
They are, my lord, they
We are in the process of filing
Those are
replies
my lord.
also.
In fact, my lord said other day said that they will be heard by this girl.
उनके नंबर दे दीजिएगा.
जी.
वो जो नंबर मैडम लिख के देंगी उनको डीलिंग कर दीजिएगा.
मैलॉर्ड, मेरा निवेदन ये है जो अलग कराना चाह रहे हैं,
उनको डीलिंग कर दीजिएगा.
मैलॉर्ड मेरा निवेदन है जो डिलिंक किया जा रहा है उसमें इशू जो ये है कि आफ्टर माननीय न्यायालय के ऑर्डर के बाद जो 11/8/2023 के बाद जो रिअपॉइंट हुए थे उनके ऑर्डर कैंसिल किया गया. उस ऑर्डर को चैलेंज किया गया मैलॉर्ड.
हाँ.
तो वो ऑर्डर
से लिंक उसमें रहने दी.
सर
In fact, Your Lordship, इसमें ये हुआ है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्लैरिफिकेशन दिया था कि 11/8 on 11/8/2023 and subsequent to 11/8/2023 all the B.Ed appointees their services shall be dispensed with. We have taken that action.
हाँ तो ठीक है.
That is challenged by them and obtained stay.
My lord, kindly see. My lord, the matter which is under examination by your lordship is that the Supreme Court relegated the matter back on the ground that whatever applications were pending on that date when the High Court had passed the order, those applications are to be considered. So those are the cases, my lord, which were pending on that date. These are the offshoot of that, my lord, have come subsequently. Therefore, they are required to be heard separately.
नहीं, but the issue is that now Supreme Court has already carved out a category that those who were appointed. Now, as we discussed earlier, there are three categories. One, those B.Eds who have been appointed on or after 11/8/23. Those B.Ed who were appointed under some qualification or disqualification, that is court's protection subject to outcome of WP, so on and so forth. And those who were appointed without any qualification under an impression that B.Ed qualified people are also entitled to be appointed as a primary teacher. Now, these three categories are to be answered. Matlab, if Mr. Rupra would have cooperated, we would have answered all the three issues. It does not require much intelligence.
Yes.
No, here, my lord, in fact, what my lords have to see, my lord, that what was pending before the court on that date when the matter has been relegated. Because the Supreme Court has very specifically, Supreme Court did not interfere with the order passed by this court. The order which was passed by this court, my
ये कर लीजिए, आप इसको अलग कर दीजिए.
जी, great.
जो
मैलॉर्ड,
मैडम
मेरा एक निवेदन था,
उनको डीलिंग कर दीजिएगा. वो वहाँ बताइएगा.
सारी प्लीडिंग्स को अपलोड करवा
वहाँ बताइएगा.
मैलॉर्ड जो कोर्ट के ऑर्डर कंप्लायंस के जो ऑर्डर हुआ उस ऑर्डर
My humble prayer, every pleading should be uploaded, my lord. We'll download it.
Not next week, any date?
हाँ, लिस्ट ऑन 11 फरवरी 2024 25.
Lord, everything may kindly be uploaded. That's my humble. We don't need copy. आप अपलोड करवा दीजिए. इतना.
चलिए
आपको भी देने की जरूरत नहीं, अपलोड कर दिया।
हम लोग सब देख लेंगे, हम लोग सब देख लेंगे।
But this issue should not
upload-
come on the next date of hearing that we have not been supplied with.
No, no, no. If we, in case it is not uploaded, then we will have to.
We have uploaded.
this bench will not be there, so I am not required to. ये तो वहाँ DB1 में चला जाएगा।
मेरे ख्याल से 14 तक सर आपकी।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, इसी हफ्ते तक है।
Close for 12th month.
12th।
एक कैटेगरी और है सर इसमें, यदि आप आदेश करें।
तो दिवाली तो